let's get this out of the box. Ah, voila. Right, let's have a look inside here. Upside down, it's got this little open tab, so it's idiot proof. Let's cut it. Finally guys, it's the moment of truth. Right, let's get this open. Oh, it's beautiful. Here we go guys, this is what's inside the box. So first of all, we have the Mavic 2 Pro itself, but we'll get back to that in just a moment. Also in the box, we have a controller, which looks much like the last one. We have here, this must be the power brick. So let's get this open. It is indeed the power brick. Oop. And we have this, which is the adapter that obviously goes with the power brick. We have cable box, so we have cables, lots and lots of cables. We have this one. Okay, so this is the USB-C cable. And then we have an adapter to micro USB. So this one seems to be for the controller. And then we have, 2 joysticks there. And then we have another one of those controller cables. Let's see what's in this box, the last box in the bigger box. We have manuals and extra propellers, extra blades. We have extra blades in there. Is there anything else in this box? Nope, that's it. Let's get this open. Push down the way. Perfect. Let's actually piece this together. Let's pop those blades onto the body. Look at that. Spin this around. Oh, look at that in all its glory. The Mavic 2 Pro. Thanks to everyone's wish list, it's got omnidirectional sensors, so it's got sensors all over its body. We've got this lovely little protective case here. Let's pop this open. And, okay, cool. So this is a new design. So we've got this bit which actually holds the camera in place with that up top there. But what we've got here is the new, much anticipated 1-inch sensor. We expect to have some beautiful Hasselblad imaging. And just in case you didn't know it was Hasselblad, it's got this Hasselblad tramp stamp up top. So now let's have a look at the controller. This looks kind of like the last one. So let's pop this open. Okay, straight off the bat, looking at this. So we have the iPhone connector inside there, and we have these neat little joypad sticks, or joysticks, I should say. So we've got the 2 joysticks that slot nicely in there. Pop them into there, and we have the Apple connector there. And obviously if you need to, you can change it to your Android one as well. So that is that. Now let's actually get this other box open. This comes in this sexy little carry case right here. We have this front compartment which houses these 2 things, which seem to be more propeller blades. There's another compartment up top here, and what have we got here? What looks like a car charger. We have here a strap for the bag. Are these batteries? Mavic 2 battery charging hub. So this is looking very, very different from the last iteration, but okay, it's interesting. It's now much flatter. It's not a square anymore. It's like this flat little rectangular thing. Let's try and put the Mavic Pro into there. Right, so let's fold these blades down, and let's get this down first into here. Then let's get this on. So this sits on the top, like so. So this slips, stop running. So this actually slips on top here, like this, and then that clips there, and then that clips there. So this should slot perfectly into there. It's a bit of a snug fit, but it does fit, right? So it goes in quite nicely, but it is kind of bulging a little. Now, can we get the controller on the other side? See this? Ah, it does, okay, perfect. So that goes into there. But what's great about this is as well, it's got all these extra pockets, so I can slip in all the additional goodness. It's got all the additional space that you need for all the other stuff. Right, let's see if this will close. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Like a glove, so everything just fits perfectly in there. And that's pretty much everything apart from the car charger. And then if I want, I can slap this on and make this into a kind of shoulder bag thing. But that fits quite nicely, and it's quite a nice weight as well. But I would say very good on DJI to give you something like this as well to take around with you. This is just a glance of what's inside the box, but if you want to know more about DJI's new drone, please stay tuned for our in-depth review coming soon.